In this video, we will discuss about difference between RAM and SRAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. RAM is used by operating system and application software. SRAM is used by high-speed registers, caches and smaller memory banks. Capacitors or transistors are used to store data in RAM. Transistors are used to store information in SRAM. RAM is more costly than SRAM. SRAM is less costly than RAM. RAM may or may not use buses. SRAM does not require buses. RAM is a type of volatile memory that loses data when power is disconnected. SRAM is a type of RAM memory that is synchronous and is formed from internal latches. RAM contains the static RAM, SRAM, and dynamic RAM, DRAM. SRAM contained inside a RAM. Examples of RAM comprise Mac computers that have between 128 and 512 megabytes of RAM. Examples of SRAM comprise IBM Microelectronics PC-compatible SRAMs that are sold in 52-pin PLCC or 100-pin TQFP packages. RAM is a combination of low and high-density devices. SRAM is a low-density device.